Hi all, we are done with installation of tools related for Python programming. So now we will get to know more about Python. So we will first see what is Python history. So Python history and why Python's name is Python. So it was initially designed by Guido van Rossum sir in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. So Guido van Rossum sir, he is the inventor of Python programming language. So its official first release date is 20 February 1991. So we can say that Python's birthday is on 20 February. So you must have question that why Python's name is Python. So Guido van Rossum sir, so he has designed this Python language. So he is fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus show. It is BBC show aired in 1969 and he is fan of that show. So that's why he kept his language name as Python. So this is the only reason why Python's name is Python. So otherwise it is not related to any reptiles or it doesn't have power like reptiles or anything. So this is the only reason. So next is Guido van Rossum sir. He is Guido van Rossum sir. He is the inventor of Python. He is a Dutch programmer. He is Dutch programmer and best known as the creator of Python programming language. So we all should be grateful to him. So he has created such a wonderful language and make it a free and open source for all. So because of that, all the people, those who are keen for learning programming, so they can easily learn Python programming language and they can easily become a programmer. So we should be grateful to him. So next is there are two major versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. Okay, so the version we have installed, so we have installed Python 3. If you go in organization, there also for your application development you are going to use Python 3. So then why there are two versions of Python? So the final version of Python 2 was released on 16th October 2000. But the issue with Python 2 is that Python is maintained by Python Software Foundation and this stops support for Python 2 from year 2020. So people are using Python 3 for their application development. So we are also using Python 3, right? So then Python 3 release date is December 3, 2008, and as you are watching video, the latest version of Python is 3.11.1. So next is, so you may have doubt that can Python 2 code runs in Python 3? So answer is no. So Python 2 and Python 3 are completely different versions of Python. So there is no backward compatibility of Python 2 in Python 3. So you can't run your Python 2 code in Python 3. So this is the answer of this question. So if you want to run any code which is written in Python 2, you should have Python 2 installed, and for Python 3 code you should have Python 3 installed. So next is, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.